In this video clip, we introduce the regression approach in decision making. So we demonstrate this approach using an example with Excel. Okay, so here we have sales data for sales and three variables assumingly may impact sales: advertising cost, price, and competitive price of the other similar products. Okay, so here we go to data, and here data analysis. This will be available if we go to file, more options for audience. Here we need to check analysis toolpack and toolpack VBA. Otherwise, this will not be available. Okay, so here we click data analysis. Regression we can find from here. Click OK. And for the Y range, we use sales. Okay, D1 through D37. And X range, we use A1 through C37. And we have labels. We want output options to be in a new worksheet. Click OK. You can see the outcome. So basically, we can see the advertising has a positive impact on the sales, price negative impact, competition price positive impact. Their p-values are all very small, close to 0, which means they have a significant linear relationship with the sales given the presence of other independent variables.